What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, you guys already know it's Sunday night, which means we're moments away from being able to get back in our bag and do what we do. And guess what, guys? We are going to put the smackdown on the market this week. I got a play for you guys right off top. So class will be in session because I want you guys to see the trade setup and what I want you guys to do on tomorrow, okay? Do me a favor, guys. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, really quickly, class will be in session. I'm going to teach and show you guys a couple things that I want you to practice and try on tomorrow. Around here, guys, I teach and then we go out and apply in order to try to get real results, okay? I want to teach you how to fish so one day, guys, you can do this on your own, but at a high mastery level, okay? That's what it's all about. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get in our bag. Okay, guys, for this particular trade setup, I have Tesla pulled up on the 1 hour chart. I want to call your attention to some things I want you to pay attention to. We're currently sitting at 220 in after hours, okay? That'll be about right there. But look at this right here. Support we have at 217. We're going to write that as support number 1, okay? Then we have more support right here at 212, okay? That's support number 2. We're going to put 1 and 2 respectively, okay? Right there. Tesla is currently sitting at 220 on a pullback, okay? A pullback will look like this. This is where you enter at around 217. Let's just write that out. En route to us making a potential move back to last week's high of 228. Okay, 229. En route to going ultimately to test, which will be our target of 230. Okay, I'm gonna write target so you guys can kind of know what we are looking for and what we're looking to achieve. Now check it out, guys. That is a setup that I want you guys to kind of definitely embrace. I want you to look out for, but listen, you need to be patient because we can do a couple things, and this is why I want you guys to start embracing if this then that. Okay, so check it out. We can do exactly what I just showed, meaning pull back first thing in the morning to go test 217 and then make our way back to 220, 228, 230, or we can gap up. All right, but let me show you some other things I want you to be on the lookout for. Let's get back in our bag. Okay, that's one setup, but check it out over here, guys. We have this little gap that I want you guys to be mindful of. And then we have a gap here that's even bigger. That's way down here, okay? And so that is your final level of support and gap fill, okay? And so it can get very, very tricky. And so you want to be mindful of these things, all right? Now let's go ahead and clear some of this up so you guys can see some possible scenarios, okay? We can easily get up here and make a double top, so that'll be 1, 2, and then go back down to fill the gap, okay? But listen, if we hit the gap, I want you guys to know it's going to bounce straight back up and go to 230, okay? So these are the things that I'm talking about when I say the game is designed to trick, trap, and frustrate you guys, okay? They won't give you necessarily a layup. That's why I want to give you the game plan. I want to show you a blueprint and a trading plan to follow so that if you see this, you can refer to the last night's video like, okay, coach laid it out like this. If they do this, this is where I need to enter at. If they do this, then that. Okay, now check this out. Last but not least, and then we're going to get up out of here, okay? If we do get up to our target, okay, if we hit here and then we hit our target of 230, that's resistance, okay? And so at resistance, I want you guys to be looking for them to try to pull back and go down here and close some gaps too. Okay, so that's the last idea I want you guys to be thinking of. That's why when you hit our target, I want you to see profit, take profit, send me the screenshot so I can love on you guys, celebrate you guys, and we go crazy together while we make money and build wealth on this journey together. Hope today's lesson was helpful. Hopefully it added some value to your life in terms of helping you see how these things could possibly unfold in real time. Guys, the beauty about this, we got a few hours and we'll see how it all plays out. Regardless of what you do, manage your risks. Remember, one day at a time, one play at a time. Let's get to it. Okay, guys, a few stocks that will be on my watch list for this week. We'll be starting with the SQQQ. I will be looking for a couple things. One, it is currently sitting at $18.77. If it goes lower, guess what? I'm backing up the Brinks truck, okay? I love to hedge my account. I love to hedge my portfolio with this. This is an easy, every other week, 25, 30% play. And so with that being understood and known, I like to buy it when it's low, sit in the cut, and wait for the bubble up, okay? With this will be on my watch list. I want you to have it on yours. Check it out. For those of you that has got into this due to understanding how to properly hedge, I rinse and repeat. I buy this low in the 17s, 18s, and I sell it at 22, 23, okay? So I'm not holding it on this hold. Look at this. I'm not holding on this 16% move down. When it got way up here, I'm selling, and then I wait for it to come back down here, and then that's why it's on my watch list. I'm watching for certain price targets. I have my buy orders already ready. I'm gonna buy my 1,000 shares and then ride it back up when it's time, okay? I want you guys to be surgical in this game, all right? Now check this out. The SPY, ticker symbol SPY, sitting at 435.25. Looking to see this one recapture this level, 436.20 on this week, on tomorrow, actually. And then if we can break through that level, guys, that opens the door for 438 and then 440, okay? That's what I want you guys to be looking for to the upside. Now check it out. It remains to be seen, but just so you know, and so you have a move in your back pocket to the downside ready to go. If this pulls back, I want you guys to be looking for 433. All right, 433 should be your first level of support. But check this out. If we lose 433 for whatever reason, you guys need to shift your focus to 430 because we got a gap down there as well that we will try to fill. Not necessarily tomorrow, but again, you never know. It could be on Wednesday they'll go for it, okay, after it runs up a little bit. So kind of prepare for that. If you get to those higher levels, be looking to lock in some profit, okay? Be patient, be surgical, don't get greedy, don't overstay your welcome, okay? And then check this one out, Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR. Please let me know down in the comments below if you hold shares of Palantir, and if so, how many shares you got and what's your average cost, okay? I'm very big on buying low. That's what we do. That's what way we dominate the game and put the smackdown on the market, because around here, I always give price targets at the very, very low end, understanding they can double up, okay? That's why we dominate. But listen, where do you have this at? That matters. I don't want you having it at 18 and 20 because this is the higher end of the range. Matter of fact, this is going to $20 this week. I need you guys to be prepared for that, okay? However, at 20, you need to lock in some profits, assess what's going on, because we can either pull back or we can go higher, but I'd rather you guys understand and let price action guide you first, okay? These 3 trade ideas will be on the table for this week for me, all right? And I want to make sure I at least share them with you so that you can at least have them on your radar in addition to everything else. Do me a favor, please be in the Discord first thing in the morning. We will be locked, loaded, ready to go. We won't waste no time getting to the money, okay? And then everybody else, if you haven't already, consider joining the money team. We are going to knock a home run out the park first thing Monday morning. Why? Because that's just how we put it down, okay? Listen, guys, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.